you are, what you are made of.
Get the chance to be a part of India's biggest challenge.
Compete with the best talents of country.
Make your parents proud.
And it doesn't end here.
And we have so much in store for you.
This Diwali, not only celebrate with lights, but also rewards.
How about visiting a National Space Research Center?
And winning smartwatches, telescopes, drones and much more.
So are you ready to be a part of this event?
We are, and we are waiting for you.
Unlock your true potential and rise to glory.
Can you guess what it is? Share your guesses in the comments below and get exciting rewards on the reveal day.